I was born October the 10th, 1925. I rode that very first bus West Cal Parish had for black children back in 1940. We come home that afternoon in 41, and they said they just bombed Pearl Harbor. I'm really proud that I had that drive and urge to want to go in the military. You buy land and own it and try to build it up yourself. I mean, you put your energy into it, not thinking you're going to get old and you won't be able to keep it up and tend like you should. Everything has gotten to be so expensive now until if you don't have some kind of help, you can't make it. Now that I've lived a life and I find out a lot of time, tough times brings out the best in people. Habitat is coming in to help me get the roof put on my house. I am so grateful and proud.
It seems so little, a roof or windows, but Habitat, you guys are giving something I can't give. But I pray so hard my whole life that Lord, please make ends meet for my grandparents.
Habitat means a whole lot. They can only do so much, but they need support and help from the people. And I'm saying it from the bottom of my heart. Habitat is a gift from God.